Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. If you ever want to hide your header but only from a specific page, here's how you can do it. Click the Pages drop down right over here. And here on the Site Pages panel, go to the page where you'd like your header to be hidden. Say, for example, this one. So once you're on that page, click on your header section or your header. Right click on an empty area and select Hide Header. Your header should now be hidden only on that specific page. If you wish to make it visible again, you can always do that. You can go to the Layers button here on the lower left. You should see that your header's been hidden on this page. So to show it again, simply click on the Show or Unhide button, and it should successfully be visible once again. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.